Spirit. But I cried, Lord, lift me up. Lord, I want to go higher in thee. For the Lord knows I can't live on mountain. So we picked out a valley for me. Yeah. Jesus lead me beside still water. Oh, somewhere in the valley below, and he drew me aside to be tested and tried, in the valley. He restored my soul. Yeah. God be done.
Bring it up.
We'll make some noise for Leonard.